Thinking about getting into investing but not sure where to start? Have you heard of robo-advisors like Acorns and Wealthfront and wondered which one is right for you? It can be tough to figure out, especially when you're dealing with your hard-earned money. But don't worry, you're in the right place. We're breaking down the key differences between Acorns and Wealthfront to help you decide. First, let's look at who these services are for. Acorns is the poster child for micro-investing. It's famous for its roundups feature, where it takes your spare change from everyday purchases and invests it automatically. That $2.50 coffee? Acorns rounds it up to $3 and invests the 50 cents. This makes it perfect for absolute beginners, students, or anyone who struggles to save consistently. The monthly flat fee of $3, $6, or $12, depending on your plan, makes it a bit pricey for very small balances. But those plans also include things like retirement accounts and banking features. Now, on the other side, we have Wealthfront. Wealthfront is a more traditional robo-advisor that's built for serious, long-term wealth building. It requires a minimum of $500 to get started with an automated investing account and charges an annual management fee of 0.25%. While that might sound like a lot, it's actually a very competitive rate in the industry and works out to be much more cost-effective than Acorns as your portfolio grows. Wealthfront also offers a wider range of investment options, including socially responsible portfolios, crypto funds, and even a stock investing account where you can pick your own individual stocks. It's really geared toward people who are a little more financially established and want a more comprehensive, hands-off approach to investing. So, how do you choose? Think about your investment goals. If you're looking for an incredibly easy way to start a saving habit without thinking about it, Acorns is a fantastic entry point. It's all about building that foundation with small, consistent contributions. However, if you're ready to commit a larger sum and want a powerful tool with features like automated tax loss harvesting, which can save you money on taxes, and more portfolio customization, Wealthfront is the clear winner for long-term growth. Ultimately, both are excellent tools for passive investing, but they serve different purposes. Acorns gets your foot in the door, Wealthfront helps you run the marathon. Your choice depends on where you are in your financial journey. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.